Breaking news. A new emerging trend is changing the future of higher education as we know it. Colleges are feeling the pressure to prove that college graduates are ready for the workforce. This is Chloe Carpenter, and I'm coming to you live to report that there's a new emerging trend in higher education. Colleges are now feeling the pressure to prove that graduates are job ready. We have a reporter on the scene with more information. Let's hear from our reporter Nancy White. Here's Nancy. That was our reporter Nancy. Thanks, Nancy. To ensure universities are meeting workforce needs, they are now supporting rural communities, establishing American leadership in advanced manufacturing, and bolstering innovative and entrepreneurship within institutes and colleges. This initiative is fueled by philanthropy and success stories. Now let's take a look at some of the pros and cons to this emerging trend. Let's watch this video to listen to some of the pros and cons. Now that we know some of the pros and cons to proving college graduates are ready for the workforce, let's take a look at what this means for the future of the college campus, the learning environment, and even the college student. Many colleges and universities believe online programs are a forward-thinking answer to the workforce development front. Online learners can obtain jobs during the day and work towards degrees and certifications at night. This emerging trend has also been used as a notion of establishing lifelong learning. This means that college students can range from the age of 17 to 18, even all the way up to 60, 70, and even 80, or even above. This has created a large number of non-traditional college students. These non-traditional college students obtain jobs and have families while also pursuing a college degree, or a vocational certificate. Universities are meeting the needs of the workforce by preparing their students for the workforce and for their future jobs and careers. This emerging trend is currently being implemented as we speak. Colleges are starting to address vocational needs and are implementing certification programs. Colleges are feeling the pressure to prove that their graduates are job ready and are ready for their careers. It will be interesting to see how this reshapes our universities and even job opportunities. The traditional college experience is being redefined through the implementation of vocational classes, certification programs, and entrepreneurship. This is how they are ensuring that students are job ready. And even the definition of a traditional college student is also being redefined and reshaped. The traditional college student is now beginning to look like the non-traditional college student, the college student who has a family, who is obtaining a job while also pursuing a college degree or a vocational certificate. You can read more about this topic from these sources. Thanks for tuning in. How do you think this is going to shape the future of education?